Well, Gary and I go back 27 years. I was with him personally for all that time. Didn't use him much. Thank God I didn't need him very much. But of course, the law firm's always been in high esteem because I know Gary and his integrity. Of course, you're always excited when you see friends and people that you know that are successful and really go beyond the norm in being successful. And that seems to be the thing I have noticed over the years. It's not perfection, but it's the fact that there is the expectancy you can have to have the best out there doing the best they can. A couple of three things that are pretty striking about Gary that once you get to know him, one is his faith, and that he's very honest about that and forthright about it. The other is that he has some core values that are very pronounced, that he lives by and really stands by, that gives him sort of a navigation and guidance as he leads the company and where he's at today. I think that number one, the law is the important thing, but besides that, there are things that come up from time to time that's really in a right or wrong category, and something may not just legally be as clear as we wish it could be, but I've seen Gary follow something higher than that someone really needs a helping hand, and they're willing to take a look at that and make it worth the while of the client and be honest about that. And they're not in the business of collecting up, just collecting hours. And that runs sometimes in any profession that you're in, but particularly that. And I think that when I send someone to Gary, or this firm even, I can trust that they're going to get the best recommendation that's known that they can possibly get.